Good morning, students. In previous lectures, we start to revise the last lesson, that is 16th lesson, the universe. Okay. In the universe, we saw innumerable stars in the sky, and we identify the location of our solar system in the galaxy, the Milky Way. After that, we also saw the nearest galaxy, that is the Andromeda galaxy, to our galaxy Milky Way. Okay. After that, we saw the different types of galaxies with the designs, that is the spiral design, elliptical design, barred spiral, and irregular design of the different galaxies. Okay. We also sent the telescope, that is the Hubble telescopes, into the space in 1990. Okay. That telescopes gives us different photographs of the space regularly. The next point, that is the stars. The thousands of twinkling stars we observe every night in the sky. Okay. Some of the stars that we see are bright, whereas the others are faint. Stars radiating different colors, such as blue, white, yellow, reddish, and can be seen in the sky. We also see stars with a varying brightness, the luminance of that stars in a different manner. The intensity of the brightness also differs of each stars. These stars gets birth at the place, that is the huge nebulas. It is made of dust particles and gases. Generally, the surface temperature, this is the nebula. This is nebula. Okay. It contains gas, different types of gases and dust particles in it. The temperature of these nebulas go increasing up to 3500 degrees Celsius to 50,000 degrees Celsius. The colors of the stars changes according to their temperature and the gases present in it. So here are the some types of the stars, such as the sun-like stars. The stars can be slightly smaller or bigger than that of sun, but there is a lot of difference in their temperature. For example, the Sirius and Alpha Centauri, these stars are like a sun, but the temperature varies from the sun. The secondly, the stars, that is the red giant star. The temperature of these stars ranges between 3000 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius, but their luminance can be 100 times than that of a sun. Their diameter is 10 to 100 times than that of a sun. They are red in color. Okay. The supernova, these are even brighter and larger than that of a red giant star. Their temperatures is between 3000 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius, but their diameter can be more than the 100 times greater than that of a sun. Binary or twin stars, more than a half of the stars in the skies are binary stars. They consist of the two stars that revolves around each other. At times, three or four stars that revolves around each other have also been located in the uh, space or the galaxy. Variable star. The luminance and the shape of these stars are not stable. They are constantly contracting and expanding. When a star expanding, it emits a laser energy, and at such times its brightness decreases. As against these, when the star contracts, its surface temperature increases and the star emits greater energy and appears brighter. For example, the pole star. Okay. So these are the different types of the stars, such as the sun-like star, red giant, supernova, binary, and variable stars. Okay. So after this, we will look uh, and get more informations about the solar system. Okay. In India, there is a ISRO which studies the galaxy or space or celestial bodies, uh, like NASA, the American Institute. So here is the solar system. In the solar system, we contains there are planets, planets, satellites, and different elements of the space. So we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the inner planets, which are nearest to the Sun, and after that the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the outer planets, which have a ring also them. The crust of all the inner planets is hard, and the outer planets have gaseous outer cover. Okay. So the first member of the solar system is the Sun itself. The Sun, which is at the center of this solar system, is a yellow in colored star. The surface temperature is around 6000 degrees Celsius. The size of the Sun is so huge than that of the 13 lakh planets of the size of the Earth can be easily placed within it. Due to the gravitational force of the Sun, the celestial bodies in the solar system revolve around it. The diameter of the Sun is approximately 13,92,000 kilometers. The Sun rotates around its axis, and while doing so, it revolves around the center of the Milky Way, taking the solar system along with it. Here is the table that makes the figure out some characteristics of this our solar system. That is the name of the planet, number of satellites it has, the inclinations of the axis, inclined axis of the planets, the rotation period of the planet, period of revolution of the Sun, then magnetism if it presents, atmosphere if it has, and the ring if it presents. Okay, the first member of this solar system is the Mercury, which is the nearest to the Sun. So the inclined axis is the 0.01% period of rotations, which it takes 58.65 days, and the period of revolution is 88 days. So the year on the Mercury is 88 days. The magnetism it does not contain due to its due to its present near the sun. Atmosphere, it does not have any atmosphere on it. The rings also absent on Mercury. The second planet, that is Venus. Okay, the Venus has one satellite. Sorry, Venus does not have any satellites. Its axis to the north south pole is the 177.2 degree, and the period of rotation is 243 days. Okay, the period of revolutions around sun is 225 days. Magnetism not present, atmosphere yes, but it has a different type of atmosphere on the surface of Venus. The ring it does not have. The next is the Earth. It has a one satellite. The inclined axis is 23.5 degree. The period of rotation is 24 hours, and revolution period is 365 days, that is 1 year. Magnetism also present, and atmosphere also have. No ring that Earth has. Mars have two satellites. Okay, the inclination axis of Mars is 25.2%, 25.2 degrees. Okay, period of rotation is 24 hours point 37 minutes. So it is somehow like with Earth. Okay, but the year differs. The period of revolution is 1.88 years as compared to Earth. It takes the magnetism not present on a Mars, and atmospheres also different types of atmosphere is present on the Mars. Rings are not present. Then the biggest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. It has 64 satellites. The axis, inclined axis, is 3.1. Period of rotation is 9 hours 56 minutes. So it has a fast rotations. Period of revolution is 11.87 years. So a slow speed than Earth. No magnetism, but atmosphere it has. Magnetism present on Jupiter, and atmosphere also with a ring around that planet. Next member is Saturn. Saturn has 33 satellites. Axis is inclined 26.7 degrees. Period of rotation is 10 hours and 40 minutes. Revolution period is 29 years. Magnetism presented, yes. Atmosphere also presented, and ring also it have. The next member is Uranus. Uranus, he has 27 satellites, and the axis in degree axis is 97.9 degrees. Period of rotation is 17 hours 24 minutes. Revolution period is 84 years. Magnetism also it has, atmosphere also has, and a ring also it has. The last member is the Neptune. It has a 28.8 degree inclination. 16 hours of rotation, and a revolution 164 years of revolutions. Magnetism and atmosphere both are presented, and the ring also it have. Okay. So on this page we have different informations about different planets. The first is Mercury. As it presents near Sun, these planets is visible in the morning and evening far away from the Sun. Number of depressions which looks like volcanic scent craters but are actually caused by the meteoric falls can be seen on the surface of the Mercury. Mercury is the fastest moving planet. After that, we have Venus, Shukra. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. It is seen in the sky in the east before the sunrise and in the west after the sunset. It rotates around itself from the east to west. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Next is Earth. It is the planet of the solar system. No other planets other than the Earth has a life on it. As the Earth is a magnet, there is a magnetic field around the Earth. It diverts the harmful rays from the Sun toward the polar region of the Earth. Next member is the Mars. It is the fourth planet of the solar system. As the soil on the Mars contains ions, its color is reddish, hence Mars is also called as a red planet. The highest and the longest mountain of the solar system, Olympus Mount, is located on Mars. Jupiter, this is the largest planet of this solar system. Okay. It also has a huge then that of as many as 1397 planets of the size of the Earth gets accommodated in it. Even though the planet is so huge, it revolves around itself with a great speed. This huge storm occurs frequently on it. It also called as a stormy planet. The next member is a handsome guy, that is Saturn. It is the sixth planet of the solar system and next only the Jupiter in a size. It is considered to be the peculiar planet because the ring around it, though its mass is 95 times than that of Earth, the density is very low. If we are dropped on into a sea large enough to hold it, it would actually float in it. The next member is Uranus. It is the seventh planet in the solar system. It cannot be seen without a telescope due to its long distance from the Earth. Its axis is so greatly inclined that it appears if it is rolling around its orbit. The next member is Neptune. It is the eighth planet in the solar system. A season on the Neptune's last for about 41 years. On these planets, wind blows with extremely very high speed. Okay. Other members uh, are satellite, asteroid, and dwarf planet. So, satellites are the celestial bodies that revolves around the planet with the independently revolving around the sun are called satellites. Like planets, satellites rotates around their respective axes. The moon is the satellite of Earth. It does not have atmosphere. Its period of rotations and revolutions are both 27.3 days, except for the Mercury and Venus are the other planets have satellites but varying numbers. The asteroid, a great number of small sized bodies could not uh, turn into planet when the solar system was formed but continued to revolve around the sun. These bodies are known as asteroids. A belt of such celestial bodies has formed between the planet of Mars and Jupiter. Okay, and the last point is that the dwarf planets are smaller in size. The body revolve independently around the suns are called dwarf planet. A celestial bodies like Pluto can be classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto takes around 248 years to complete one revolution around the sun, whereas it takes 6.38 days for one rotation. Okay, it is disappear from the solar system for long period. So it is said that that planet comes under the control or force of the other solar system. Okay, the last point is about that the our solar system has the independent asteroid revolving into the solar system are called as the comets, are formed out of the ice and dust particles. They are part of a solar system. Since olden times, the appearance of the comet has been considered to be an auspicious event. Comets appears like a point when they are far away from the sun, but when they come close to the sun, they become easily visible to us because of the shorter distance and heat of the sun. Comets are made up of the frozen matter and dust particles. When they are close to the sun, these frozen matter gets converted into gas due to solar heat, and these gases get thrown into the directions away from the sun. As a result, certain comets appears to have a long feather tail. Due to their long elliptical orbits, their appearance in the sky is very rare. They reappear in the sky after a very long period of time. Comets are classified into two groups: long period comets, short period comets. These comets takes more than 200 years to complete one revolutions around sun. While the short period comets, these comets takes less than 200 years to complete the one revolutions around sun. Such we have a comet, Halley's comet, which comes regularly after 76 years. Okay. So students, here we have the informations of different planets, and their rotation and revolutions in this lesson. So here we complete this lesson. Thank you.